Before I shower or do anything else, I want to share this with you. It's a dinner I made last night off the Tips from Town website. One skillet Mediterranean chicken. It was so easy. It was so delicious. Everyone ate every bite. They loved it. It's super, super healthy, and it's super easy. Here's how you do it. Here's your ingredients. You probably have a bunch of them at home. You can find them on the website. Just take a picture of it on your phone and bring it to the grocery store. So first, you're just going to saute the onions and the garlic and a little bit of olive oil. I bought raw chicken and cooked it in that, and then took it out, chopped it up, and put it back. The recipe calls for chicken that you buy cooked already, which would have been easier. I don't know why I was trying to be Martha Stewart on a Thursday night. Then we added the button mushrooms, and I added extra because they're great for the immune system, and it's cold and flu season. And we put in the chopped regular tomatoes, and now this is cutting up the sun-dried tomatoes with a food scissor. If you don't normally do this, it is just such an easier way to add sun-dried tomatoes to anything and get that sweetness without the effort it takes to cut them with a knife. This is me popping out the pits of the Kalamata olives because, like an idiot, I bought the ones with the pits. I was in a big rush, but it wasn't terrible. And then I got Serena to help me out. We're adding the balsamic vinegar, a little more oil, and the basil. And then this gorgeous spinach, which really just made the whole meal pop and made everyone's mouths water, like couldn't wait to get involved. And this is what it looks like at the end. It was, again, super simple, really delicious. Everybody loved it. First thing my kids said was, Mom, you have to make that again. Even little Charlie, who is really picky about what he eats, ate his whole bowl. So as a meal for a party or just for dinner with your family, I really recommend it. Check it out.